We are asked to determine whether or not this function is odd or even. One hint is that if the largest exponent is an odd number, then there's a chance that the function may be odd. Fifth degree polynomials generally have a shape that looks kind of like this. And while my drawing is not very good, you might see that symmetry about the origin. In fact, let me color the other side like this. So you can see that all of these points that are, say, here, it has a related point that has an opposite x and an opposite y. Now, there's no telling whether it has a perfectly symmetric shape. The only way you're gonna be able to figure this out is with algebra, but it is not going to be even. So it could be odd, but not even. So then what we're gonna do, there's a couple of ways to do it. I think based on the slides, what we want to do is plug in a minus x and see if our output is minus f of x. Now, anytime you take a negative number and raise it to the fifth power, it is going to be a negative. And a negative times a negative is a positive. Negative x cubed becomes negative x cubed. But if you multiply that by -2, that becomes positive 2x cubed. The sign results may be a little confusing. You may have to think about that for a little while. But in the end, notice that this is opposite of the original. Which means it is opposite of f of x, which tells you that it is definitely odd.